Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln of s squared plus 4. Next, I need to do first the derivative for the both sides. We will have about 2x over s squared plus 4 dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S over s squared plus 4 dx we change by du over number 2. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2. Number 2 and number 2 you got about 4. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.